Hi guys, in this video we're gonna be making a huge drawing of VEXX and ZHC. So without any further ado, let's get started. Made the sketch on the iPad, but as you can see on drawing I made a mistake, so let's fix it. Okay, that came out looking awesome. Now it's time to ink and start coloring. Okay, tell me boys, doesn't look like ZHC. Well, let's continue. Okay, now it's time to start coloring. I'll be using Copic and chameleon markers for this one. So let's start this thing. I'll be using warm colors for this one, so this is gonna take a while. Oof! Look at the skin, my brothers. It is looking really awesome and I love it. As you can see, I'm not really good at editing yet, so I still have a long way to go.
Feels like an ocean. The way you're touching me must be emotion. The way it's been.
Okay, so we finished coloring the body. Now it's time to start coloring the hair and his clothes and every other part. So let's jump right into it.
Like you, no, it's true.
And I'll be using this picture of ZHC as a reference to color his clothes.
Baby, there ain't nobody like you.
Oof! This is looking awesome, brothers.
Do you want the same? Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just
It was getting kind of dark, so I had to switch on my desk lamp for better lighting. If you're still watching this, wow, thank you so much. You are pretty awesome.
keep it up?
ZHC done. Time to start with VEXX. Sketch already made, so let's get right into it.
You got me checkmate.
Like ZHC, I'll be using this picture as a reference for drawing VEXX.
No one's watching or nothing. I have cleared out the room so that you
I'll be using warm colors as well for this one.
Ooh, cut on me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh, cut through.
Finished coloring his skin. Now it's time to color the clothes as well.
Enchanté.
I am really liking how the clothes are turning out to be. For the shoes, I'll be using this random reference image I found on Pinterest. Oof! Thank you guys so much for watching and enjoy the reveal.